Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, it's me Faisal Khalik and welcome back to my channel Jobs and Tips. So today we are going to discuss 5 tips to learn English easily. You know that to learn any language, it is not easy to learn it in 5 days, in 10 days and in 15 days. Many academies tell you that you can learn English, you can speak English within the 7 days, within 10 days, within 20 days. So I think that to learn any language, it's not possible to learn it in a few days and to speak that language in few days, even though speaking is possible, but learning is different. There is a difference between speaking and learning. So you have to learn English, you just not have to speak the English, you have to learn English. And I think English is the most easiest language to learn as compared to other languages. It is often considered that those languages which have many alphabets are difficult, such as Sindhi language has 52 alphabetic letters, so it is more difficult than English. And Urdu has 28 or 29, then it is more difficult than English, and English has just 26 letters, so it is the easiest language to learn. So what are those 5 tips to learn English easily? First of all, immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English language. For example, you should watch English movies with English subtitles or with English language. You should read books in English. You should read articles and there are different platforms to be engaged in English. And secondly, there is a regularity. You have to, whatever you are doing, even it's a small task, but if you are doing it regularly, on the regular basis, on the daily basis, on the assigned schedule, then it is very much possible that you will be able to learn anything, any skill or any language easily, because regularity is the most important thing for any task, for any acquirement, for any achievement. And what is the third tip? The third tip is to use the English language apps. There are many apps available on Google Play stores which you can download and use those language apps, just like Duolingo, Babbel. There are other apps as well, and by downloading these apps you will be able to conversate with them, speak with them with those applications. And there are, you know that AI has been ruling over the world, and AI will answer your questions as well. Number four, it is to engage in conversation. That is the main and important thing for learning or speaking English language, because if you will not make conversations with your partners, with your friends, you just have to choose any partner, any application. There are many applications which you can make your partner, and to which you can speak, and by this way you will be able to enhance your English language. Number fifth tip is to expand your English vocabulary, because if you will not have any vocabulary, you will not be able to speak, because you have no any words. If I will have no any word and there will be lackness of words, then how can I speak to other people? How can I express my thoughts in words, because I have no words? So it is very necessary to improve your vocabulary by reading different dictionaries. It is not a quick process. It is a simple, or it is a step by step process. For example, you have to make a schedule. You have to decide with yourself that every day you will read 10 different words from different websites, from different dictionaries, and you will memorize those words. And by this way you will be able to learn 300 words within the month, 300 new words within the month. And if you will continue if you will follow these 5 tips throughout the month, you will be able to speak English little bit more than you are speaking right now. So do it for 1 month, and then tell me, comment here, and express your thoughts regarding my video and regarding my different tips I have already told to you. So till Allah Hafiz, till the next video.